Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number 1, he will eat. Correct. Number 2, can I? Yeah, that's right. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. They eat fish every day. They eat fish every day. Fish. Fish are animals that live in water, and many people eat them. Now we can make a flashcard for fish. Usually when we eat fish, it is uncountable, so we don't say a fish. Please make a flashcard like this. Write fish up here in the top left corner. F-I-S-H. Down here, F-O-O-1. This means food, level 1. Over here, the number 18 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Fish. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer asks the teacher a question every day. Jennifer asks the teacher a question every day. Jennifer asks the teacher a question. She puts her hand up and asks the teacher a question when she wants to know something. Now we can make a flashcard for ask somebody a question. And this is a little difficult because we can also say this. What is this word with 2 letters? 2. But we only use this form about 5% of the time. 95% we do it the other way. Jennifer asks the teacher a question. We use this form 95% of the time. Please make a card like this. The basic form is to ask somebody a question. Down here, vid 1. This means verb, idiom, level 1. Over here, the number 1 out of 76. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Question. Question. Game over. You did very well today. Number 1, he will eat fish. Correct. Number 2, can I? You got it. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is a bad thing. Damage. Correct. Number 2, a fire. Extinguisher. That's the thing you use to put out a fire. Number 3, fill with an I. F-I-L-L. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching.